calls to arrest a former US president are dominating political debate in 2026. But how real is this possibility? Hello and welcome, I'm Ashia and I am bringing you a clear breakdown of what's facts, what's claim and what the law actually says. At the center of this debate is former US President Barack Obama, supporters of current President Donald Trump, along with Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard, have pointed to a recently declassified documents. These documents, released between 2025 and 26, are being used to claim that Obama administration fabricated intelligence to link the Trump campaign to Russia during 2016 election in US. This is often being described by supporters as a so-called Russia hoax and even a conspiracy to undermine the election results. And there is a counter view. Critics and several investigations have previously examined the similar claims. Reports, including past probes into Russian interference, did not lead to a major charges against top officials. Many experts say the current narrative is a reinterpretation of earlier findings rather than entirely a new evidence. Now here is where the legal reality becomes important. In July 2024, the US Supreme Court in the case of Trump versus United States gave a former president broad protection from criminal prosecution for actions taken while in office. The ruling clearly states that presidents have absolute immunity for core constitutional duties and at the least partial protection for other official acts. So, what does that mean in this case? The decision being questioned, such as handling intelligence agencies like CIA, FBI, fall under official presidential responsibilities. That makes any criminal case against Obama extremely difficult from a legal standpoint. There is also a question of timing. Most of the events being discussed here date back to 2016. Legal experts point out that the statute of limitations for many potential charges may have already expired, making the prosecution even likely less. And importantly, the US Department of Justice had not filed any charges against the Obama. Despite political pressure and media speculation, there is currently no legal action underway. Reviews within the Justice Department have reportedly found that the declassified material does not provide strong enough new evidence to meet the high legal threshold required. So, let's address the biggest question directly. Has Barack Obama been arrested? The answer is no. There is no confirmed or credible report of any arrest of Obama. Claims suggesting otherwise are being treated as misinformation. So where does this leave this story? While the political rhetoric is intense and the debate continues to grow, the legal path to arresting a former president, especially for official acts, remain extremely limited. There is not just a political question but a complex legal issue shaped by constitutional protection, court rulings and limits of evidence. For now, the claims remain part of a larger political narrative, not a legal reality. Stay with NewsX for more such updates.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.